1967 Chevrolet Malibu two-door hardtop. And I got that resto mod vibe to it here at Unique, especially in classics. 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Also has an EFI system set up on it. We'll pop the hood here at the end of the video, start it up, let you hear it run. Power steering, power brakes, front disc. As you can see, more modern headlights. Take a look at the chrome front grille. Interesting color, kind of almost a flat diamond white, but yeah, kind of a flat white with the black and then that red highlight on the stripe. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, check this out. Underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726 US Mag Wheels. Black interior bucket seats, some red highlights to coincide with that red stripe on the exterior. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, take a look at the rear chrome bumper. And again, still pictures. Take your time looking through them. Underside, trunk, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Take a peek at the interior here for you. Door cards in those bucket seats. Material, good shape, free of rips, tears, holes. Aftermarket gauge cluster. Headliner. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Take a peek at that engine bay. Again, 4-speed manual paired up with a 350. That EFI starts up nicely. You can hear it's got a little rumble to it. Sound goes along with the looks. Let it warm up a little bit. See, that was a cold start. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice throaty exhaust note. Alright, give me a second. I'm going to pause this. Let me get this hood popped. Check out that engine bay, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Good look under the hood, and you get an idea on the halo headlights. Obviously a more high intensity when it came stock. It's a 350. Fast EFI setup. And again, power steering, power brakes. It does have a horn button on the dash, and the horn is working. Chevrolet Malibu two-door hardtop. Like I said, kind of that resto mod vibe to it. Flat white paint, flat black, and red highlight. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended